A bag contains 5 red marbles, 6 blue marbles, 3 green marbles, 4 black marbles, and 2 yellow marbles. A marble will be drawn from the bag and replaced 100 times. What is the reasonable prediction for the number of times a green or black marble will be drawn? Okay, so the first thing we need to do is identify what we're looking for. A green or black marble. So either one of them would be fine. So we see up here that we have 3 green marbles and 4 black marbles. Together that equals 7 marbles. But I also need to total how many marbles I have in the bag altogether. So I am going to, with my Expo marker on my desk while I'm taking my test, write the probability of green or black is 3 plus 4 equals 7. The total amount within the bag, I'm going to add all of these numbers up, and that equals 20. But that's not my answer because it says a marble will be drawn and replaced 100 times. So I need to make a proportion. So 100 times I am going to draw a marble. At this point, I need to find out what is X. What is the probability or the prediction that that marble will be green or black? So right here, I need to cross multiply 7 times 100 and divide it by 20 to find out what X equals. At this point, we cross multiply and divide. X equals 35. The probability or my prediction of picking a green or black marble after choosing 100 times would be 35. And that would be my answer for this question.